Tiananmen Square, built under the guidance of Chairman Mao Zedong. Tiananmen Square is one of the largest public squares in the world, said to hold a capacity crowd of over 1 million. It houses not only the monument to the people's heroes, it is also the final resting place of Chairman Mao himself in the mausoleum of Mao Zedong.
Forbidden City, the sacred center of the Chinese Empire for 500 years and home to the Ming and Qing dynasties, the Forbidden City is a vast complex of over 900 buildings and covers an area of 180 acres. Since 1987, the Forbidden City has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its palatial architectural style has been an influence on many imperial buildings throughout Asia.
Great Wall of China. Originally built under the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, the Great Wall of China is the country's most iconic site. Snaking through the northern countryside from the Gobi Desert in the west to the Bohai Sea in the east, the Great Wall is the longest wall in the world, and was used as a fortification against northern nomadic tribes. The current structure dates to the Ming dynasty, over 700 years old.
Summer Palace, the former holiday retreat of the Qing emperors. The Summer Palace is a stunning example of Chinese garden style. The Summer Palace incorporates the feng shui notion of mountain and water, seen here with tranquil Kunming Lake and magnificent Longevity Hill. A favorite resort of the Empress Dowager Cixi, the Summer Palace is home to a stunning marble boat and the Long Corridor, one of the longest outdoor passageways in the world. Thank you for watching.